Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. Today's video, we are going to be installing this tempered glass screen protector for your OnePlus 7 Pro. As you can see, I've got a lot over here that the company sent out to me from Ounier. So I'm going to try to install one and see how it performs. And also I will be doing a follow-up and to let you guys know if this thing is actually sticking on my device or not. So let's do a quick unboxing first and then install it on my OnePlus 7 Pro.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you shaking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass if she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10,
It looks like it's gonna be stuck there for a very long time, guys, but definitely I will do a follow-up on this and see if it will actually stay on my screen display. And yeah, if you guys have any further questions or anything like that, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.